Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish, 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 A, Cherish, 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 A. Ain't no stopping, ain't popping, and I'm back with another video.
When are you supposed to come off? I get it.
So I'm just gonna show you guys our new place. It's been a struggle. We've been separated and in a small room. Me and the kids were sharing one room. All three of us is in there with all our stuff. And she got her favorite room.
Wait.
She got her.
If you take this off or drop it, you can see its engine inside.
Right.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's an engine inside.
Anyways, we looking a mess right now because we just got here. And today is like the big move-in day. I'm just gonna show you guys what we have so far. We don't have anything in here. It's really empty. We live in Vegas.
Yes, we do.
We live in Vegas now. We relocated from California to Vegas. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, so finna show you guys. Okay, so it's the front door. Do not judge. It's dirty right now. The kids on the stairs. That room right there is gonna be like my sanctuary where I meditate and stuff like that. But we got company right now. And here's the room. It doesn't have anything in it yet. So it came with the stove and refrigerator and microwave. And here's the living room. I don't know what this is. Anybody know? Comment below. It's yours. It looked like a refrigerator could go right there. I'm thinking about just making this area like a bar. Kids are fighting. Oh, here's a closet.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Laundry room. Bathroom.
Please, can I have it? You're not my sister. I'm trying to use this because it's for the monster truck.
What? Ain't that hers? Stop it. Another bathroom. A man's room. It is neat in here.
Look over here.
Oh yeah. You really set it up all nice.
My room is just like nobody likes my room.
What's this? Oh, it's another storage.
Another storage?
For stuff to put. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming. She lined up all her little toys. And
I have it. Wait, how big are you? Let's see.
We couldn't get this bed. We have to take it down. All right, this is the master room. Do not judge. We've been So we slept here last night.
There is no restroom.
And
It keeps.
that's my closet over there. The hubby's closet. He moved in here first. Bathroom.
Guys, there's another room that more people can sleep in.
Shower, another bathroom.
The meeting room when I check out.
Which one? Oh, the guest room?
Yeah.
Okay. Amir wants to show. This is the guest room. Everything is on its way. That's why it's nothing in there. The moving truck is on its way. And this is the backyard. It's pretty cute, pretty small. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on